Mastering the art of capturing the world. Shoot a panorama. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of English phrases. We're going to unravel the meaning behind shoot a panorama. This phrase is not just about photography. It's a window into English idioms and expressions. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. The word shoot in English has multiple meanings. Commonly, it refers to the act of using a camera to capture a photo. It's a slang term that originated from the action of pressing the camera button, similar to pulling a trigger. In our phrase, shoot conveys the idea of taking a photograph. Next, the term panorama. A panorama is a wide-angle view or representation of a physical space. It's like capturing a broad, comprehensive view of a landscape or scene. In photography, a panorama is a picture that covers a wide field of vision, more than what the eye typically sees at one glance. When we combine these words, shoot a panorama means to take a wide-angle photograph that encompasses a large area. It's often used to capture landscapes, cityscapes, or any large scene where you want to get as much detail as possible in a single photo. Interestingly, shoot a panorama can also have a metaphorical meaning. It can imply taking a broad, comprehensive view of a situation or topic. It's like saying, let's look at the bigger picture, or let's consider all aspects of this issue. And that's a wrap on shoot a panorama. This phrase opens up a world of visual splendor and also teaches us about looking at things from a wider perspective. I hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language. And I'll see you in the next video.